Hey guys! Have you ever noticed that whenever you open your Samsung app drawer, the background gets all blurry? It looks cool, sure, but what if you want to make it clearer or even turn that blur off completely? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do that. Super easy, no root, no complicated stuff. Let's go. Alright, first thing, open Good Lock or Fine Lock. If you don't have either, no worries, you can grab them from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. Next, once you're inside the app, scroll down and install a module called Home Up. When it's done, make sure Home Up is turned on. Then go to the Home Screen menu inside Home Up and make sure that one's also turned on. Now find and enable Background Blur Control. This is the magic switch right here. Once you tap it, you'll see a slider called Background Blur Rate. Here's the fun part, just slide it to adjust how blurry your background looks. If you want no blur at all, simply set it to 0% and boom, your app drawer background will look crystal clear. And that's it. Super simple, right? Now your Samsung app drawer looks exactly how you want it. No unnecessary blur if that's not your thing. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Samsung tricks, and let me know in the comments what other settings you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next one.